Hello dear students, very good morning. Last class we discussed the problems, means the concepts, means position of a circle with respect to the coordinate axis, means one circle touches x-axis, intersects x-axis, neither touches nor intersects the x-axis, like that y-axis. Like that some questions means concepts we discussed. So if you learn that the concepts clearly, that is entrance point of view, most important concepts. In theory there is no such type of concepts. Only theory what they given, center radius given, how to calculate circle equation. One circle equation is there, given means general equation of a circle. How to calculate center and radius, only two types. But that is not sufficient. So in the entrance point of view you need more concepts, so that in this chapter theory as well as coaching both we are discussing. So that point you have to remember. Now in this section notations, some notations we have to take. So these are the like formulas only you remember. So here onwards circle means yes we have to represent. Circle means yes. So that is yes is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here onwards, suppose equal to 0 means like this equivalent symbol. So that is not equal to 0 means only s equal to right, like that. S equal to 0 means what you have to understand, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here onwards s equal to 0 means this is s equal to 0. So like that you have to remember. So this is s equal to only you write. In the same plane of the circle, 2 points I am taking. One is x1 comma y1 and another one is q of x2 comma y2. 2 points on the same plane of the circle. Now notation is s1. What is s1 means? Wherever x square is there, x1. You observe. Wherever x square is there, x1. Wherever y square is there, y1. See, x square is there, x1. Y square is there, y1. 2g is there, half of 2g. Half of 2g means, see, half of 2g means only g. So g you write. Then wherever x is there, see, wherever x is there, in that place x plus x1 means first point, according to first point I am writing. X plus x1 plus half of 2f means f, that is y plus y1 plus c. No changes in constant, that is called s1. So s1 how to write means from s only we have to write s1. X square plus xx1, y square plus y1 plus half of 2g means half of x coefficient, you remember. Half of x coefficient means g into x plus, wherever x is there, x plus x1. Half of y coefficient means f. Y value is there, y plus y1 plus c is there, plus c only we will write. So, suppose one given circle like this. Suppose given circle is standard form x square plus y square minus a square equal to a square is there only, no, minus a square. What is s1? In this case, x1 nothing but x1 plus y1 minus a square means g f. If you put 0 means this becomes also like that. See, general equation of a circle given s1. Standard form of a circle given means s1. So these are the notations. Next. S11. S11 means wherever x is there, x1, wherever y is there, y1. x1, y1. 1 means x1 y1 we have to substitute, means x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c. What is the meaning of x11 means x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c. In this case, what is x11 means wherever x is there x1, wherever y is there y1 minus a square. So this is x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. One more notation is there, s12, s12. This is s1 only, no, s12 or s22 also you take. S22 means x2 y2 we have to substitute here, x2 y2. What is x2 y2? x2 square plus y2 square plus 2g x2 plus 2f y2 plus c. Here what is s22 means second point we have to substitute, nothing but x2 square plus y2 square minus a square will come. So these are the some notations you have to remember. So based on these notations only we will going to solve the problem. So one concept I will take based on this method. Position of a circle position of a point I will take, not circle. Position of a point with respect to a circle means with respect to one circle, what is the position of a point? Suppose this is a circle, s equal to 0. Here onwards s equal to 0 means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. S means this one, equal to 0 means equal to 0 you have to take. In the same plane of the circle, one point is there, that is P of x1 comma y1. So what is the position of this point with respect to circle means whether it is inside of the circle, whether it is outside of the circle, whether it is on the circle. Three cases, inside, outside, on the circle. So inside of the circle, see here, P lies inside of the circle S11 negative. S11 negative. S11 how you will get? This point P of x1 comma y1. So you can write like this. This is x1 comma y1. If P of x1 comma y1 lies inside of the triangle s equal to 0 means what is the condition? If you substitute this point in the circle equation, yes, in the circle equation, yes, this value negative means that is in that point inside the circle we can have. Next, suppose the point P of x1 comma y1 lies on the circle s equal to 0, then S11 must be 0. S11 must be 0. Next, suppose P of x1 comma y1 that is lies outside the circle, s equal to 0, then S11 must be positive. So S11 must be positive. So you remember, S11 negative means inside, S11 equal to 0 means on the circle, S11 is more than 0 means positive means outside the circle. So this is the position of a point with respect to one circle. So one example I will give. Locate the point. Just I am taking 1, 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Just to observe. Means we have to locate this point where it is with respect to the circle. Which circle? This is the circle. Means with respect to the circle, whether it is inside or outside on the circle, we have to guess. So here, this is x1, y1. No doubt about it. P of x1, y1. Yes. What is the S means? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 4. First what we have to, this is P of x1 comma y1 means 1 comma 1. First what we have to calculate? S11. Wherever x is there 1, wherever y is there 1. 1, 1 we have to substitute. What is S11 formula? x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 minus 4y1 plus 4. That is S11 is equal to x1 means 1, y1 means 1. So this is 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 4 plus 4. 2 plus 4 6 minus 6 it will be 0. So S11 equal to 0 we got. So S11 equal to 0 means P completely inside of this triangle. So what is the location of that point means inside the circle. So one more question I will give. Locate the point P of 1, 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 equal to 0. Means we have to locate this point with respect to that circle. Directly S11 you calculate. X is there 1, y is there 2. If I substitute 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 16 minus 96. So this is 5, 11, 27 minus 96. So this is, you observe, this is 22, 26, 27 minus 96. Means this is minus 69. So minus 69 means what is S11? Negative. So S11 negative means completely inside the circle. The point lies completely inside the circle. So this is the location of a point with respect to one circle. Whether it is inside on the circle or outside the circle. Next. Equation of a tangent and normal. See here. Equation of a tangent and equation of a normal. This is a circle. Center C. This circle equation, just S equal to 0 we are representing. General equation of a circle. On the circle, one point I am taking, that is P of x1 comma y1. So if you draw one line, which touches the circle at that point. So this line is called the equation of the tangent. So tangent to the circle nothing but it is a straight line which touches the circle at that point P of x1 comma y1. So how to calculate equation of this circle? Sorry, equation of this tangent. So S1 equal to 0. The equation of the tangent at the point P of x1 comma y1 to the circle S equal to 0 is S1 equal to 0. What is the equation of the circle? Equation of the tangent to the circle S equal to 0 at that point P of x1 comma y1 is S1 equal to 0. For this proofs also are there, but now we don't want proofs also. S1 equal to 0. So S1 equal to 0 means what is S1 equal to 0? X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1. While you are reading, you should read like this. X1 plus y1 plus half of x coefficient into x plus x1 plus half of y coefficient into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. This is called equation of the tangent to the circle. When this is general equation of a circle, for example, x square plus y square equal to a square is there. What is the equation of the tangent? Already notations I told you. X1 plus y1 minus a square equal to 0. So this is the formula to calculate equation of the tangent S1 equal to 0. Next, what is the normal? So normal means it is also a line. Normal means it is also a line passing through, means drawn at the point P of x1 comma y1 which is perpendicular to the tangent. This line is called equation of the normal. So equation of the normal means it is also a straight line which is perpendicular to the tangent which is drawn at the point P of x1 comma y1. So this is called equation of the normal. So equation of the normal, one condition is there, it is always passing through center of the circle. So normal, how to guess means normal always passing through center of the circle. That point you have to remember. Then equation of the normal to the circle. Suppose S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Given circle is like this, or standard equation of a circle. So x square plus y square is there. At P of x1 comma y1, you remember, at P of x1 comma y1, how to means calculate equation of the normal. So very simple. Here center will come. G value, f value we have to calculate. So you tell me the equation of the normal. The equation of the normal and P of x1 comma y1 is to the circle. x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. What is the equation? You remember this one. Y minus y1. Y1 means the given point y coordinate equal to y1 plus f. F means x y coefficient half of y coefficient divided by x1 plus g. G means half of x coefficient into x minus x1. x1 nothing but this point first coordinate, x coordinate. So this is the formula to calculate equation of the normal to the circle at that point x1 y1. Suppose this circle, if you take, what is the equation of the normal? X y1 minus y x1 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So that point you have to remember. Means that one, this one, what is the difference means? Fg 0 0 if you substitute here, because here Fg will be there. Here there is no Fg, there is no x and y coefficients. If f equal to 0, g equal to 0 if you substitute, f0, g0 if you substitute, what will get? X y1 minus x1 y1 equal to x y1 minus x1 y1 minus x1 y1 minus x1 y1 cancel. So finally what will get? This equation. So you remember, general equation of a circle they given, what is the equation of the normal means this one. What is the equation of the tangent means this one. S1 equal to 0. Whenever standard form x square plus y square equal to a square, what is the equation of the tangent means? What is the equation of the tangent? S1 equal to 0. Nothing but xx1 plus yy1 minus a square equal to 0. That is called equation of the tangent. Then what is the normal to this general equation of the circle? This one. What is the normal to the standard form of a circle at this point? x1 comma y1. So this is xy1 minus yx1 equal to 0. So these two formulas you should remember. Equation of the tangent means x1 equal to 0. Equation of the normal means these two formulas you have to remember. Okay. So what is the normal? Nature is normal. It is always passing through center of the given circle. So four options are there. Four options means given circle center will calculate. If you substitute that center in four options, which option is satisfies? That is the means normal equation of the normal. So that point you have to remember. Next. Position of a line with respect to one circle. Position of a line with respect to a one circle means, suppose this is a circle, one line is there in the same plane of the circle, maybe like this. This is the center C. This is another circle with the center C. Like this. This is another circle with the center C. This will be here. Suppose this line is y is equal to just I am taking slope intercept form. This is also y equal to mx plus c. This is y equal to mx plus c. So three cases you observe. This is intersect the circle, this is touches the circle, neither intersecting nor touches. That is the position of a line with respect to the circle. No doubt about it, this is completely radius. This is radius. So you observe, this is the point. From the center to this point means perpendicular distance. For example, center of the circle is minus g comma minus f if I take. So very clear, one line intersect the circle means always radius is greater than perpendicular distance. Given circle is, just we are assuming x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So what is the radius means root of g square plus f square minus c greater than perpendicular distance. What is the perpendicular distance formula? First is straight lines. ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of, this is a square, means here line means a square plus b square. This is the formula. Means radius is always perpendicular, means greater than the perpendicular distance from the center to this line. So center to this line, how to calculate perpendicular distance means this is like mx minus y plus c equal to 0. ax plus by plus c equal to 0 type you compare. So what is this one? M into minus g minus of minus f plus c divided by square root of 1 plus m square. You observe, radius is always greater than perpendicular distance from the center to given line means this is line intersects the circle. This is the radius. This is the radius. At the same time, perpendicular distance. Both are same. Radius is equal to perpendicular distance. You observe. This is the perpendicular distance. This is up to here means radius. So very clear. Radius is always less than perpendicular distance means the line completely outside the circle. The line completely outside the circle. So you remember, R is greater than D means the line intersects the circle. R equal to D means touches the circle, means radius is equal to perpendicular distance. R is less than D means the line never touches or intersects the circle, means completely outside the circle. Okay. So now concept you observe. One line I am taking, that is y equal to mx plus c touches the circle. Touches the circle. X square plus y square equal to, standard form I am taking, x square plus y square equal to a square. Then what is the condition? Then what is the condition we discuss? Just now we discussed. This is a circle with the center, no doubt about it, 0, 0. So what they are asking question, this is the line touches the circle. This is y equal to mx plus c or mx minus y plus c equal to 0. This is the radius, no doubt about it. So r nothing but a value. This is the perpendicular distance d. So one line touches the circle means radius is equal to the perpendicular distance from center to the line. This condition you remember. Radius is equal to perpendicular distance from the center to the line. Okay. So what is the radius in our case? A. What is the perpendicular distance from the center? What is the formula? Ax1, if you want you can write Ax1 plus By1 plus C divided by root of A square plus B square, when this line is of the form Ax plus By plus C equal to 0 type. You tell me, this is A equal to Ax1, A means M. x1, what is x1 y1? This is x1 y1 0 plus B means minus 1 y1 0 plus C means C only divided by root of A square means M square plus 1. This is 0, this is 0. You remember, this is modulus A equal to, this is modulus of C divided by root of A square, 1 plus M square. So this is only C equal to, or modulus of C equal to A into root of 1 plus M square. Or if you remove this modulus means plus or minus A into root of 1 plus M square. So what is the equation of the line? You observe, what is the equation of the line means y equal to mx, C value plus or minus A into root of 1 plus M square. Very important. When we have to use this formula, whenever circle equation given, slope of the tangent to the circle given, what is the equation of the tangent? See here, which cases we have to use? Circle equation given, what is the circle equation standard form? X square plus y square equal to A square. To this circle, slope, to this circle one tangent will be there, that we don't know. There is that slope they given. Circle, the tangent to the circle slope given. They are not given tangent, that slope they given. Then how to calculate the equation of the tangent means y equal to mx plus or minus A means radius of the circle, root of 1 plus M square. Root of 1 plus M square. Sir, other than this circle, if they give, see, for example, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 they given. Slope of the tangent to the circle they given. Then what is the equation of the circle? Nothing but y plus f is equal to m into x plus g into plus or minus a into root of 1 plus m square, where a nothing but root of g square plus f square minus c. You remember, y means y plus f, f nothing but x, half of the x coefficient. Half of the x, half of the y coefficient nothing but f. M into wherever x is there, x plus g. So g nothing but half of x coefficient plus or minus a. A means radius of the circle. In this case, a means radius a. In this case, radius of the circle means root of g square plus f square minus c. Root of 1 plus m square. This is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent to this circle. So this general equation of a circle given, this is the equation of the tangent. Standard equation of a circle given, this is the equation of the tangent. So y equal to mx plus c touches the circle. What you have to write? So this is the condition you have to remember. So from this condition also you can write squaring on both the sides. C square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. What is the y equal to mx plus c touches the circle? Touches the circle means c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. This is most important condition in the entrance point of view. You remember this condition, c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. A means radius of the circle. C means constant term of this line. M means slope of this line. So like this, one line touches the circle means these are the conditions. This is the equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the tangent. Whenever slope is given, okay, like that. Next, one problem. Find the equation of the tangent and normal find the equations of tangent and normal to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y at the point P of 3, 4. So there, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the circle at this point. So they given one equation of a circle they given at one point. Suppose this is P of 3, 4. Whether this point lies on the circle or not, you have to check. X value 3 means 9, 16, minus 12, minus 24, plus 11. This is 36, 25 plus 11, 36 minus 36 will be 0. Clearly, the point lies on the circle. One more point. Sir, suppose the point outside the circle means does there exists any tangent means exist. Two tangents will be there. Through that point, two tangents will be there. Suppose this point internally there is no tangent means this is nothing but it is a chord. So P inside the circle means tangent does not exist. P outside the circle means two tangents exist. P on the circle means one tangent will exist. So that point you have to remember. So maximum at the point case only they will give. So at this point we have to calculate what is the equation of the tangent. What is the equation of the tangent? What is the equation of the normal? So this is normal equation, this is tangent equation. So these two both are perpendicular. Now you observe, what is the given circle? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. So this is the P of x1 comma y1 equal to 3 comma 4. So equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. What is the formula? S1 equal to 0. S1 nothing but xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Okay. Now you observe x1 means 3. So x into 3 nothing but 3x directly I will write plus y1 that is 4y. G means half of x coefficient. Half of x coefficient nothing but minus 2. x plus x1 means 3, y means half of y coefficient, nothing but minus 3, y plus 4 constant term plus no changes in the constant term. So this is 11. You tell me. 3x minus 2x, x. 4y minus 3y plus y. This is minus 6, minus 12 plus 11 equal to 0. So finally x plus y, this is minus 7 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. Then how to calculate equation of the normal? So slope of the normal. What is the slope of the normal? Slope of the normal equal to minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Correct? Slope of the tangent, because these two lines are perpendicular. You remember, suppose this line slope is m1 means what is this line slope? Minus 1 divided by m1. So what is the slope of this line? Slope of the tangent ax plus by plus c equal to 0 minus a by b means minus 1. So nothing but 1. Slope of the normal is 1. This slope to this point, line equation. Or center, if you know, means center and this point line joining, you can calculate. So equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. Tell me. This slope to this point line equation. So what is the formula? Point slope. Y minus y1 equal to 1 into x minus x1. x1 nothing but 3. So from this, this is y minus 4 equal to x minus 3. So finally x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Very clear. If you want whether your answer is right or not, this point 3, 4 you substitute x value 3, y value 4, satisfying. Whether this normal passing through center of the circle or not. What is the center of the circle? X coefficient by minus 2 means 2. Y coefficient divided by minus 2 means 3. 2, 3 you substitute here. X value 2, y value 3 plus 1, it will be 0. So this is the equation of the normal. This is the equation of the tangent. So like this we have to answer the problems based on one circle at that one point they given. What is the equation of the tangent? Equation of the normal. Next. Find the equations of tangents to the circle. Find the equations of tangents to the circle. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, which is parallel to the line x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Say question. One circle equation they given. This circle equation they given. Two tangents we have to calculate. That tangents are parallel to given line. What is this line? X plus y minus 8 equal to 0 means the tangents may be like this. See here. These are the two tangents we have to calculate. These two tangents are parallel to this line. No doubt about it. What is the slope of this line? -1. This line slope also -1. This line slope is also -1. So slope given, circle given, already I told one formula. What is that formula? Y plus f equal to m into x plus g plus or minus radius into root of 1 plus m square, or if you want radius r 1 plus m square. This is y plus f. This is m into x plus g. M nothing but -1. So what is the given equation? See, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. What is the center? Center not necessary, I think so. Just g value, f value if we calculate enough. Just you compare like this. X square plus y square 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay. X coefficient 2g. So 2g equal to -4. So g value -2. 2f means 3. F value, 2f means 6. F value 3. So g value -2, f value 3, m value -1. If you substitute, therefore equations of the tangents. Equations of the tangents. Formula, you write that formula. Y plus f. F means 3. M means -1. X plus g. What is g value? -2. What is radius? Okay, radius we have to calculate. Tell me, g square means 4. F square 9 minus c, already minus is there 12. 13 plus 12 means 25. Root of 25 means 5. So this is plus or minus 5 into root of 1 plus m square. M square nothing but 1. So from this you observe y plus 3 equal to minus x plus 2 plus or minus 5 into root 2. Or you can write like this, minus x left side plus y plus or this is 2 you take left side plus or minus this total system 3 minus 2 1 plus or minus see 1 plus or minus 5 root 2 equal to 0. There exist two lines. What are the two lines means? One is x plus y 1 plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Another line is x plus 5 1 minus 5 root 2 equal to 0. These are the two equations of the tangents which are parallel to this line. So like this you have to answer these type of questions. Next. Next question. Show that the line - 5x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. What we have to take? Just we have to prove this line touches this circle. Touches. Just now we discussed. One circle is there. One line they given. Whether this line touches or not. What is this line? That is also 5x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the given circle whose center is x coefficient divided by minus 2 means 3. Y coefficient divided by minus 2. This is the radius. This is the perpendicular distance. Our aim is r equal to d. If you substitute means your answer will be over. So given circle just will write once again, that is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. What is the center? Center we require. So minus g comma minus f, nothing but 3 comma this is minus 2. Directly how to calculate I told many times. Center x coefficient divided by minus 2 comma y coefficient divided by minus 2. Only center if you want to calculate means x coefficient divided by minus 2, y coefficient divided by minus 2. For radius means x root of x coefficient by 2 whole square plus y coefficient by 2 whole square minus a constant term. So radius r equal to formula. This is g square plus f square minus c, nothing but root of 9 plus 4 minus c means 13 minus 12. So that is 1. Means it is a unit circle. Radius 1 means it is a unit circle. Then perpendicular distance d equal to perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to the line 5x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0. Just you observe. D equal to modulus of A means x1 from the center means this is 3 plus 12 into minus 2 minus 4 divided by square root of a square means 25, b square means 144. So from this you tell me this is 15. 15 this is minus 24 minus 24 minus 29 means this is numerator 13. Root of 169 denominator also 13. So this is 1. So radius is equal to perpendicular distance. Radius also 1, perpendicular distance also 1. So clearly this line touches this circle. So r equal to radius. Like that you have to answer.